What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we're doing a screen replacement on this iPhone 6 and this iPhone 6s. So yeah, guys, I have these two iPhones here. I have a iPhone 6s and an iPhone 6, and they both need screens. They are fully functional. This one also needs a battery. We're going to do that too. They are both fully functional. They both have full parts, and these are actually my giveaway phones. So let's go ahead and let's do a quick repair on both of them. Let's get started. We're going to shut this down. We're going to do the 6S second and the 6 first, since we've already kind of started. So I have brand new premium screens right here. This one already has the earpiece installed, and this one doesn't even have a screen on it. So this is going to make our job extremely easy. So let's go ahead and let's put the Touch ID on this screen. Alright, home button is installed. Let's give it a quick wipe down. Alright, and let's install it on the phone. Alright, we're having some problems with this screen plate. This is not wanting to connect properly. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screen plate I have from an old screen, and I'm going to throw it on here real quick and cut the video back on when I have that done. And there we go. I went ahead and put a new plate on the back because this plate was having some issues with this plug, so it was faulty. Luckily, I have a bunch of old crappy screens laying around, so I just stole an OEM one and put it on there. So far so good on this screen. Alright, let's go ahead and test it out. Oh. Alright, cool. Home button works. Let's test front camera. Front camera works. Cool, let's go ahead and let's finish this thing up. Alright, and just like that, this iPhone 6 is done. Good as new. Now let's move on to the iPhone 6s. Alrighty, let's get started on the 6s. So we are going to be doing a screen and battery replacement on the 6s, as the battery is 78%. And there we go. So I already see right off the bat there's a screw just chilling here. which over time the screws on these things do come out. So from what I could tell, no one has ever been in here before, which is cool. You don't find successes like that often. And just like that, the old screen comes up. And now we can put the phone to the side. Let's go ahead and let's transfer all of this stuff on the old screen to the new screen. I have a new premium screen right here. So let's get started with that. Alright, the screen is all done. Now we can go ahead and work on the phone. We have to get the battery out and clean up the old seal. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So actually, now that I'm looking at it, this, if it would focus in, this 6S has a extremely bent housing. So we're going to go ahead and do a housing swap on it. I have another housing for it. So I'll go get that now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's get started in tearing everything out of this housing and putting it in this housing. Alright, there we go. Motherboard's out. Let's go ahead and let's put it in the new housing that I have. Okay, here's the housing. Now let's get the motherboard in. Okay, let's get the battery in and we can finish this up. Okay, now that everything is together, let's go ahead and put on the screen and we'll test it out. Alright, there we go. Screen's on. Alright, screen works good. Let's test front camera. We're also going to look at the battery. Nice, this battery is a good battery. And front camera. Cool. Check the back camera. Yep. And it died because the battery's dead. So let's go ahead and let's finish putting this thing together. Oh, just did a little reboot there. Okay, we're gonna put the seal on. Now we gotta wait for this thing to turn back on. There we go. Get a quick wipe down. Alright, let's turn it on. Get this plastic out of here. Alright, and let's seal it up. Put the bottom screws in. And just like that, we are done with the second and last phone. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you're new to this kind of content and want to see more, please subscribe. It helps me out. And it helps me also get on the algorithm. Thank you so much for everybody who entered my giveaway. It went very well. And I want to congratulate the 2 winners. I've already announced them and they will be receiving their phones soon. Thank you very much everyone for 1,000 subscribers again. I will hopefully be doing another giveaway soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.